Hey everybody. In this video I would like to show you how I profit from past syndicate events and how you can too. If you don't know what the syndicate event is, Crypto.com offers you coins at a discount of 25 to 50% off. Sounds great? But be careful, here are a few things you need to know before you start. First, let's look at past events. You can see that they had Cardano, Bitcoin, Chainlink, and other coins on offer. I am gonna take Icon as an example because I have participated in this sale and can show exactly how many coins I got. In this event, they gave away $500,000 worth of Icon, and the discount level was 50%. It is important to know that you have to stake Crow coins in order to participate in the sale. I had staked 100,000 coins, so my max allocation was $5,000. For the upcoming Bitcoin event, you don't have to stake any Crow coins. As you can see, I took part in the last 4 events, and altogether this made me $850 worth of coins at the time of recording. Let's take a closer look at Icon. I got about 550 coins. Now we have to find out how many Crow coins I was able to swap. You will see that the percentage is very low and that the rest will be refunded to your account. I wanted to swap 45,000 coins. However, 43,000 coins were refunded and I only swapped a small percentage to Icon. This is because these events are oversubscribed. So don't think that you can swap all your coins. Remember, it is only a small percentage. What I have learned from past events is that it is a good idea to buy Crow coins 4 or 5 days before the syndicate event. I will give you an example. I bought Cardano 4 days before the event at this level. That was around 10 cents per Crow token. Then I held the Crow tokens and sold them after the sale for about 11.5 cents. That was a 15% gain. You can check past events. I noticed that this pattern repeats itself. However, this is not a guarantee. I highly recommend that you do your own research. I am simply showing you what worked for me, and I try to learn from history to make my decisions. A quick recap. You can only change a small percentage of your total allocation in these events. Because they are normally oversubscribed. Don't buy Crow tokens on the day of the event. Try to buy them 5 days before because the demand rises the closer we get to the event. Obviously, the discount level and how much they are giving away is important. For the Bitcoin special, it is 2 million. I think it is the most they have ever giving away. In my opinion, Crypto.com is a great company and I hope they can push in the top 10 soon. I will make more videos about them because they have a lot to offer. As you can see on their website. Let me leave a link in the description. If you want to open an account, please use my link. Then we both get $50 worth of MCO. This link will be in the description too. At the beginning of every month, I am giving away $100 worth of BTC. All you have to do is leave a comment and like the video. Let me know what topic you would like to see next. The winner will be announced on the 1st of July. That sums up this video. If you find it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Check out their website, it is really great. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I will be in touch. Until next time.